Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Shri Jayendra Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and your mentor for the subject biology, and I will be taking care of the zoology section. My dear students, in the previous lecture of class Mammalia, I have introduced to you with some common characteristics of class Mammalia. The class Mammalia is further divided into two subclasses. This we are going to discuss today. First subclass is Protheria, and the second subclass is Theria. The second subclass Theria further is divided into infraclass Metatheria or marsupials, and Eutheria means placental mammals. Okay, without placenta, or I should say true placenta. Right? So the subclasses of class Mammalia are Protheria and the subclass Theria, which includes two infraclasses, Metatheria or marsupials and Eutheria, placental mammals. Now we are going to discuss about these subclasses and infraclass. The first order we are going to discuss under the class Theria is, because Protherians it only includes the extinct mammals. Okay, sorry. So now we are going to discuss about the very first order, Insectivora. Insectivora it includes burrowing, nocturnal and insectivorous animals. Animal means their feeding habit is insectivores. They are nocturnal means they are night dwellers. They come out of their burrows at night and burrowing. Example, Erinaceous, Jahu, Chuha. Okay, the Erinaceous, commonly known as Jahu or Chuha, and hedgehog. Okay, so it is basically hedgehog, which is a burrowing, nocturnal, and insectivorous animal. Animal kingdom chordates. It belongs to animal kingdom chordates. Sorex shrews. They are considered as smallest mammals having a size of 3 inches. Shrews, they are the smallest mammals having a size of 3 inches. Chuchundar, Talpa, mole. The mole and chuchundar, they are considered to be the smallest mammals, okay? Also known as shrews, sorex. Then order 2. The first order is Insectivora, which includes chuchundar, talpa. Shrews are the smallest mammal, and hedgehog. The second order is Cryopatra. It includes bats, and that is why the study of bats is known as cryopatrology. Patrology. Pollination through bats is also known as cryopetrophily. So bats which can fly in air, and they are true flying mammals. True flying mammals. The question was been asked in AIPMT 2011. Skin between forelimbs and hind limbs are expanded. The skin between forelimbs and hind limbs expanded in the way to form patagium. Very important, patagium, which helps in flying. Testes are inside abdomen, means intra-abdominal testes. Then the forelimbs and hind limbs, the skin between forelimbs and hind limbs, it get modified to form patagium. This patagium helps them to glide, to fly. Testes are intra-abdominal. Ecocolation. Ecocolation is basically a type of radar system So the bats, they produce ultrasonic waves. These ultrasonic waves, when they strike any surface, they undergoes multiple reflections. And in this way, bat can find out the obstacles. Example, Pteropus, flying fox. It is a fruit eater animal, frugivorous. Insectivorous bat, also called filter mice. Filter mice is an insectivorous bat. Pteropus is a flying fox, which is a fruit eater animal. And Desmodus, vampire bat, sanguivorous, means blood sucking. So Pteropus is a flying fox, which is a fruit eater animal, and it is a frugivore. Insectivorous bat, they are also known as filter mice. Desmodus is a vampire bat, which is a sanguivore animal, means blood sucking. These blood sucking vampires or bats, they have been a very important characters, especially in the horror movies. Vampires. The maxillary canines and the mandibular canines are very well developed. Okay. Now coming to next slide. The third order is Rodentia. Rodentia is the biggest order in mammals. Which is the biggest order? Rodentia. These are small, terrestrial, can be either herbivore or omnivore. They can be either herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore. Okay. The incisor teeth grow continuously. Canines are absent. The incisors, they grow continuously. Okay. Their growth is basically because of the absence of some lower jaw teeth. The incisors, they keep on growing. Canines are absent, which leaves empty space between teeth called diastema. So diastema is basically the spacing between teeth. As canines are absent, that is why the space is there, and this space is known as what? Diastema. Understood? Now coming to next, squirrel means squirrel, rat. Porcupine, sehi. Body hair are modified into quills. Quills were present in birds. Type of feathers. The body hairs, they are modified into quills. Guinea pig is also an example of Rodentia. And Dipodomus, kangaroo rat, also known as desert rat, never drink water. Aquatic rodents. So all aquatic rodents, kangaroo rat, Dipodomus, guinea pig, then porcupine, sehi, in which the body hairs are modified into quills, rat, common rat, and squirrel. They all belong to Rodentia. Now coming to next is Edentata. Edentata, it includes anteaters. Order Edentata. It includes anteaters. The only mammals which has bony plates they are the only mammals which have bony plates and horn-like scales or exoskeleton. So they are the only mammals which are having bony plates and horn-like scales as exoskeleton. Examples are Myrmecophega, giant anteater. So Edentata includes anteaters. They are the only mammals having exoskeleton in the form of scales or bony plates. Example, Myrmeco, giant anteater. Dasypus, Armadillo. Dasypus or Armadillo. It shows polyembryony. Polyembryony means making of 4 to 8 embryos at a time. Understood? Bradypus, slowest animal. Bradypus is the slowest animal and it is a mammal. So Edentata, it includes anteaters, the only mammal having bony plates and horns in the form of scales as exoskeleton. Example, Myrmecophega, giant anteater, then Dasypus, armadillo. It shows polyembryony, 4 to 8 embryos at a time. Bradypus, slowest animal. Then order 5, Pholiodota. Pholiodota, scaly anteater. The order 5 is Pholiodota or scaly anteater. So scaly anteaters, Pholiodota and Edentata, they are only anteaters. Okay, so please remember the difference. Pholiodota is a scaly anteater and Edentata only anteaters. 2 pairs of incisors, they have 2 pairs of incisors. Teeth are present in upper jaw and 1 pair in lower jaw. Means they have 1 pair of central incisors and 1 pair of lateral incisors. The mandible means the lower jaw only is having the central incisors, no lateral incisors. Okay? No lateral incisors. They are similar to rodents except the teeth. Forelimbs are shorter than hind limbs. Example, pangolion, scaly anteater. The Pholiodota includes scaly anteater. Example, pangolion, scaly anteater. Incisors are in a pair, central and lateral. Lower jaw is having only central incisor. They are similar to rodents in all the characteristics except in the number of tooth, in teeth arrangement. Then the sixth order is Lagomorpha. Lagomorpha, this order is also similar to rodents. Complete herbivore mammals, it includes complete herbivore mammals. Canines are absent and diastema is present. Okay, canines are absent and diastema means spacing. Example, Oryctolagus, rabbit and pica. The rabbit and pica, pica is a tailless, pica is tailless. Rabbit and pica, they are included in Lagomorpha. So class 3 Rodentia, class 4 Edentata, class 5th Pholiodota, and class 6th Lagomorpha. Okay? Class 7 Carnivora. Canines are very well developed, smart, strong carnivore animals. Upper last premolar and lower first molar. Upper last premolar in the second premolar and the lower first molar tear the flesh of the prey, and these teeth are called carnassial teeth. So carnivora, order 7, they are named not because of the presence of canines. Okay, canines are very well developed, but the flesh tearing capacity is basically of the lower first molar and the upper last premolar. Okay, and they are known as carnassial teeth because canines are absent, but actually the work is done by the upper last premolar, in the second premolar and the first molar. They are digitigrades, when they have digitigrades type of locomotion with the help of digits, means we can say similar to the fingers and toes. Type of locomotion. Terrestrial carnivore animals are called Fissipedia. Terrestrial carnivore, they are known as what? Fissipedia. And marine carnivores are known as what? Pinnipedia. So terrestrial carnivores, they are known as what? Fissipedia. And marine carnivores, they are known as what? Pinnipedia. Domestic dog, it is carnivore. Lion, carnivore. Tendua, carnivore. Panther, carnivore. Tiger, national animal of India, carnivore. Cheetah, it is the extinct animal of the India. Fox, seal, lion, seal, walrus, all are carnivores. Okay. Then order 8, Cetaceae. So Cetaceae order, it includes fish-like marine mammals, and they don't have hind limbs. You remember hind limbs and pinna, they were absent in Cetaceae and Sirenia order. The fish-like marine mammals, hind limbs are absent, hairs and pinna are also absent. The hind limbs are absent, hairs and pinna are also absent in Cetaceae. Testes are found inside abdomen, intra-abdominal testes. As they are already living in water, so the temperature is, lower. So sperm formation can easily take place in that temperature. That is why there is no need of having extra abdominal testes. A thick resistant layer of adipose tissue, means blubber, just beneath the skin is known as what? Blubber. Thermoregulation. Insulation. Right? Example, blue whale found in Antarctic Ocean. A horny sheet called as baleen plate for filtration is found in upper jaw and not in teeth. Okay. In case of blue whale, there is a horny sheath known as baleen plate. This baleen plate is for filtration and it is found attached to the upper jaw but not in teeth. Milk is squirted to the baby by the muscle contraction of the mother. So milk is given to the baby by squeezing out because of the muscle contraction of the mother. That term is squirted. Rete mirabile helps in underwater respiration and it is found in thoracic region. So there are some common characters of males. General characteristics of males are given. The blue whales, they are having some common, specific characteristics found in Antarctic Ocean. They are found in Antarctic Ocean. A horny sheath like covering is present, which is known as what? Baleen plate, which is attached to the upper jaw. Milk is squirted to the baby by the contraction of muscles. Rete mirabile helps in the underwater respiration and it is found in thoracic region. Understood? So order 7, carnivora. Order 8, Cetaceae. Cetaceae includes blue whale. Carnivora includes dog, lion, tiger, panther, tendua, sheep, fox, not sheep, fox, bear, bull, wolf, then walrus, seal, okay, cheetah. Now coming to next, order 9, Sirenia. Sirenia, they are also herbivore, aquatic mammals. Hind limbs are absent, pinna are absent, transverse fin on the tail. As they are aquatic, they have a transverse fin attached to their tail. They have big tusk is present in males, especially in case of males. There is a presence of big tusk, okay, which is a modified incisor. So there is a presence of big tusk in males, modified incisor. Example: sea cow, manatee, dugong. They all belongs to Sirenia. Hind limbs are present, pinna is present, they have transverse fin on the tail, and they have big tusk, especially in males, which is basically representing a modified incisor. Okay? Then, order 10, Proboscidea. Proboscidea, they are the largest and the heaviest present day terrestrial animals. They are the largest and the heaviest present day terrestrial animals. Proboscidea. Upper incisors are long, tubular, form as tusk. So upper incisors, they are basically long and they modified to form tusk and they are tubular. Canine teeth in Proboscidea are absent. Okay. Molar teeth are lophodont type. There are different types of teeth. The type of teeth and their arrangement will be uh, discussed in detail when we will discuss about the structural organization in case of animals. Okay. So molar teeth, they are lophodont type, hairless, they don't have hairs, and testis is found in the abdomen. The Proboscidea, they are the largest and the heaviest present day animals. So present day animals, they are the largest and heaviest, right? The molar teeth are lophodont type, they are hairless, they don't have hairs. Testis is found in the abdomen. Testis is basically found in the abdomen. Example: Indian elephant, African elephant. They are the largest living land animals. Indian elephant and the African elephant. Understood? Now, order 11, Artiodactyla. Artiodactyla. Stomach is divided into 4 chambers. Artiodactyla. The stomach is divided into 4 chambers, which helps in these animals, in rumination. Okay? Cud chewing. So rumination, you know, basically ruminants means the cattles, they keep the food undigested in a crop-like organ and it is regurgitated again in the mouth and then they chew again. All animals are ruminant except sus and hippopotamus. Hippopotamus and sus, they are non-ruminant and they belong to Artiodactyla. Even-toed, they are even-toed ungulate animals. When they have even number of, ungulation present in their toes. The even-toed ungulate animals, right? Buffalo, camel, the RBC is nucleated, exception. Pig, sheep, goat, yak, deer, giraffe, musk deer is having the smallest RBC. The largest RBC, Anguilla, eel, Congo eel, the largest RBC. So Artiodactyla, the stomach is divided into four chambers. Among these four chambers, one of the chamber basically store food in a temporary way, and the food is again regurgitated to be chewed again and again. This is known as what? Cut chewing. All animals are ruminant except sus and hippopotamus. Okay. So these are some common Artiodactyla. Now coming to next, order 12, Perissodactyla. Perissodactyla, it includes limbs. The main features are limbs are long with one or three digit with hooves. The limbs are long and they have one or three digits with hooves. Hooves are present. They are fast running animals and they are odd toed. Okay, when they have toed with odd number of digits, you can say. Okay, odd toed animals. The limbs are long with 1 to 3 digits with hooves. They are fast running animals and they are odd toed animals. Examples: horse, donkey, Indian donkey, zebra, rhinoceros, single horn, gainda. It is found in Kaziranga National Park, Jorhat, Assam. Rhino possesses keratin horn over snout. So the keratin horn is present in rhinoceros. It is also now known as Indian one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, rhino. The full name is Rhinoceros unicornis. Just a minute. Known as Indian one horned rhinoceros. Okay, it is the second largest land animal. Second largest land animal. Understood? So, Perissodactyla includes basically horse, donkey, rhinoceros, you know. Now, coming to next, order 13, primates. They are most developed mammals and it includes the most wise and intelligent. They are most considered as most wise and most intelligent animals among all mammals. The cerebrum and cerebellum is very well developed. Example: man, monkeys, lemur, apes, gibbons, gorilla, and chimpanzee. To primates, they belong or they include today's human. They are considered as most developed mammals. It includes the most wise and intelligent animals. Example: monkey, man, gibbon, lemur, apes, gorilla, chimpanzee. Cerebrum is highly developed. It is highly advanced for the writing, speaking, and understanding skills. Prosimians. Prosimians, basically lemurs, they are included in this group. Lemurs, tarsiers, they are called prosimians. They are included as prosimians. Lemur, they are basically found in Madagascar. And it is the lemur is having a long and non-prehensile tail consisting of long and non-prehensile tail. Okay. So these were the some common mammals we have discussed. The general characteristics of class Mammalia has been discussed. Now we will be discussing some questions for practice of this chapter, means animal kingdom. So today we are done with the animal kingdom as we have finished the last part, that was, mammalia. The difference between ape and man, I would like to tell you, ape and man. Today's man is known as Homo sapiens. What are the difference in between apes and man? Ape and man. In ape, brow ridges are very prominent. Brow ridges are very prominent. In man, brow ridges are not so prominent. Right? In apes, there is a small diastema between incisors and canines. Diastema means spacing between incisors and canines. Diastema is absent. In apes, arms are longer than legs. In man, legs are longer than arms because of adaptability. Apes, the vertebral column has only one curve. Vertebral curve 1. And man, 4 vertebral curves. 4 vertebral curves. Apes, thumb and great toe are opposable. But in case of men, thumb and great toe, they are not opposable. Mean thumb and great toe, they can be used at an angle of 180 degrees. But in men, this feature is not present. Okay, so these are some common features of apes and men. Okay, so we will be discussing some more questions on this. Okay, so till then, my dear students, please take care. Everyone, stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Bye bye.